Hello dog lovers! Have you ever wondered why dogs go crazy for squeaky toys? It all comes down to their natural instincts. Dogs are descended from wolves, and wolves are natural hunters. The squeaky sound mimics the noises made by prey animals, triggering your dog's prey drive and stimulating their senses. When your dog hears that squeaky sound, it activates their natural instincts, giving them a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. It also provides mental and physical stimulation, which is essential for their overall well-being. Now, not all dogs respond the same way to squeaky toys. Some may become obsessed and won't let go of the toy, while others might lose interest after a short while. It all depends on your dog's personality and preferences. So, experiment with different squeaky toys to find the one that your pup loves the most. Another important thing to consider when choosing a squeaky toy is the size. Make sure it's appropriate for your dog's breed and size. You don't want a toy that's too small and poses a choking hazard, or one that's too large and heavy for your little companion to enjoy. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to our furry friends. Regularly inspect your dog's toys for any signs of wear and tear. If you notice any damage or loose parts, it's time to retire the toy and get a new one. Safety should never be compromised. Playtime should be a fun and safe experience for both you and your pup. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the squeaky dog toys and how they can stimulate your furry friend. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear about your dog's favorite squeaky toy and how they react to it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay pawsome.